Buy your rice here. Buy your rice, so cheap money, cheap spoon. You go belle full, use and hold stomach. But you won't buy rice?
How much be rice?
Okay, oh, rice. One spoon like this na 15 naira. 2 spoon na 100 naira. Which one you won't buy?
Yeah, give me 100 now.
Okay. Yeah, na 2 spoon. Where your money?
Come on, man. Set me free.
You be mumu.
Ogo ya do abeg, I get people wey never chop since the your last spoon comot after you take 2 spoon. Buy your rice, so if you no get money, just come chop 2 spoons. Na this Tinubu regime, person no dey buy full plate. Buy your rice, so buy your rice here. Oh. Yes, you wan buy rice?
Why this one wey you carry rice dey go for food instead? Wetin dey happen now?
You no know how much bag of rice?
I know.
Everything don cost now. Nobody even get money to dey buy full plate. So just buy 1 spoon like this or 2 spoons, just use and hold belle, then you no go die of hunger.
For you sef, you get better shop business. So.
Yes, so
how much you dey sell?
I don't want make people dey die of hunger. 1 spoon na 15 naira, 2 spoon na 100 naira.
My correct spoon na
200 naira own. People wey plenty wey never chop o.
My talk
Small small abeg, no pack all the spoon. That one na 15 naira.
no wow.
100 naira. Oga, you don do, people never chop. Oga, you don do, no chop again. People plenty wey never chop. Give me money for the one wey don chop. Oga, dey go abeg. Buy your rice, so if you no get money, just chop 2 spoons.
Watch till the end.
This one wey you carry this meat come dey computer, eh?
What happened?
Because you make me to. You be mumu.
Not this meat that
What you mean?
my boyfriend brought, my stupid boyfriend brought the meat for me and told me that he brought a bush meat for surprise.
Run o. On the sweet meat, sweet o. Okay. Where you can't see this meat now? This meat wey dey taste like rat meat.
It's rat meat. Now my boyfriend that brought it for me that said that it's a bush meat.
Wait, now this meat I you don't weigh that one, abi?
This is the meat now, the rat meat. That's what I'm trying to do.
I don't understand. I'm trying to understand something. You don't weigh the meat, abi? You are about to, and I'm just eating the rat meat. I want to understand.
It's the meat. This is the meat.
Hey! So why you no contain me saying rat meat you carry now? Now I need to stop am.
How am I supposed to tell you? Did you ask? You don't ask. Now just come carry meat.
No, I think say you be better friend. This say you be better friend. So now if you want make I don't chop rat meat like this.
Because next time they ask.
So no, you use the word carry rat meat. You should write this is rat meat. So you paste time here. So anybody will say I'm going to say this is a rat meat because you need to chop am.
No vex. Next time I go paste time.
So like this I don't chop rat meat.
I chop am on. I do rat meat.
And the worst part is now all this place not rat.
Sorry, no. Next time, let me ask.